I'm started in jewelry business in 1991, and like 2 years ago I bought first Solidscape machine. Today I have a 6 machine of Solidscape. I bought the newest model like 1 month ago, 3Z Max Pro. It's very fast machine and I think it's better quality. Solidscape waxes, it's one of the best to cast with any type of metal, especially for the platinum. Most of our customers is, local from New York City and New Jersey, but also we have customers in Europe, in France, in Germany, in Poland, and we have customers from Thailand.
One customer recommended another customer, and then they start calling, sending the stuff, sending the files. We can print very quick, we can cast next day, and we can send overseas in a couple of days, basically. We definitely have a nice team here, helpful for all our customers.
The people which working here, they really working hard, working like the family.